Hello students, myself Rajiv Atri. Today we are going to discuss current density. So students, this is the term which describe scalar nature of current mathematically. देखते हैं कैसे डिस्क्राइब करेंगे स्केलर नेचर ऑफ करंट. करंट स्केलर है ये तो सबको पता है, बट स्केलर नेचर अगर मैथमेटिकली डिराइव करने को बोले तो किस टाइप से डिराइव करें. करंट डेंसिटी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल होती क्या है बेसिकली. एक पर्टिकुलर कंडक्टर लो, किसी भी इंस्टेंट ऑफ टाइम पे उस कंडक्टर का कोई एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया काटो. मान लो मेरे को इस एरिया के अक्रॉस करंट डेंसिटी निकालनी है. अगर हमें इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया के अक्रॉस करंट डेंसिटी निकालनी है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें करंट की डायरेक्शन का तो पता होना चाहिए. दिस इज, लेट अस कंसीडर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. And area vector, we have to consider area vector which is, as you know, perpendicular to the surface. At any point if we have considered small surface ds and then applying a normal to it, then this is n cap ds is area vector of that surface. So area vector and current having in same direction, now current density will be defined as, at a particular instant it is defined as ratio of current. This is our current, ratio of current to the area. And what is now area? Area is area vector which is directed perpendicular to the surface. We have to write it into the brackets. Area is area vector which directed always perpendicular to the surface. This is theoretical form of current density. Now mathematically current density will be defined as, current density I, it is ratio of I means current to the area, and it is denoted by J, letter J. This is denotation of current density. Now students, as we know, current is equal to J into A. Now if we have to prove that current is a scalar quantity, then let us consider this conductor at some angle to the current. At some angle to the current have the same direction, but the surface of the conductor will incline on some angle, and after drawing a normal, or we can say that area vector n cap ds, then this is the angle in between n cap ds and current, but we have to take normal component because area, here area vector or area, we can say that ratio of current to the area when current always threading, or area normal to the surface, or current always threading this part. Now students, n cap ds, the along vector is n cap ds cos theta, and the normal vector is sine, which we have to ignore. Now students, J, if angle between current and area vector, then the expression can be written as I is equal to J into A cos theta. So students, after removing this cos component, we have J dot A, and as current is a result of dot product and dot product is a result of scalar product, so we can say that Current is a scalar quantity. Current is a scalar quantity. But students, current density is a vector quantity. Current density is a vector quantity. Area vector is also a vector quantity, and when two vector quantities are under a dot product, then it gives a scalar quantity called current. Current density is a vector quantity having SI unit. Here current having ampere and area vector having meter inverse 2, meter to the power minus 2. This is our SI unit. Now another form of current can be written as it is a flux density of that particular area. We can write here current in another form as J dot ds. Closed integration just because of the surface area should be closed. So students, this is all about current density. If you understand the content, then don't forget to like the video. Thank you for watching.